Make her feel welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, Trixie, Miss Southern Fried Chicken.
I know it's creepy, but I thought this haunted shithole flat was a good place to meet, to reopen every wound. What a fun way to spend a Saturday, especially for you. I know my nails look sweet, I will work them into every shot, even this POV. My flip phone is a piece of shit, so let me call you right back on my brand new Motorola brick phone. Let's try this one. Speaking to the cup, man, technology sucks.
Hello?
I'll just pull you outside. Here's a phone I haven't tried. Okay, now I hear you clearly. I'm a Chiquita phone. Your voice sounds so delicious, full of potassium. I'm the dumper this time. I treated him like dog shit. She kicked and I didn't mean to hug the umbrella, the loop and the play. And I'm sorry for always wearing a GoPro on top of my head. Shalom, Wednesday. I forgot how to say hi in English temporarily. Hey bro, don't be cheeky, or I'll write a lovely ballad about how you used to beat me.
What?
I'm just kidding. You still can't take a joke. I'm so glad we spoke.
Don't turn this conversation into a song.
I won't use your real name, Steve. I just swallowed 1,000 leaves. I got sick of eating spaghetti for every meal, so I gave you an atomic wedgie, and I hope your crotch healed. I've been a ghost this whole time.
You're singing about a made-up dog. You've been home all day long, and the flat's a pigsty. Pretending you're a ghost and clean up those dead flies on the sill. Clean it up!
Ooh, I'm a ghost.
Quit messing about!
I can't hear you. I'm a ghost.
No, if you're a ghost, you can hear me, but I can't hear you.
I'm just having a laugh.
Where's the baby?
He's in the cupboard.
The cupboard? What's he doing in the cupboard?
It's his favourite place, babe.
Oh my God, come here, little fella.
He's all right. Always babying him.
He is a baby, Adele!
Whatever. Hey, just a person. Can you put in some me talking at the beginning so it seems like I was involved in the production of the song? You know, we're a dickweed. Not gonna drag your name through the mud. That's the OOB. I'm not petty. I'm just kidding. Got you chained up in my basement. Hallucinogen should be kicking in shorty. Soon you'll be seeing several of me. serves you right. Put the lotion in the basket, or I'll chase you with an axe. Here's Johnny. You know, like that movie, Silence of the Shining. Now I'll do a fun impression. Look, I'm Vishnu. That was good. Clap now. Loud.
Did someone call a party clown? I'm Jigsaw Dale. I just flew in from hell. Hell's we're besties. Ha, ha, ha.
Don't be afraid, we're both doctors.
Take your shots, yeah.
Place your toes with GoPros. Now I can monitor wherever you go.
I put a key behind your eyeball. Fish it out and we'll let you go. But hurry, bro. The time on the clock is running low.
Get that high key, set yourself free. Could get messy.
Here's your damn key.
It's the ticking. What does that mean? Cut the wiring.
Black, red, or green.
I guess we're all going to explode.
Ladies and gentlemen, Trixie! We actually found her from doing an A Man on Radar Range commercial from the 1960s. We have a microphone for you, and we're going to make you talk and give shots and everything.
Hey! Good evening. I'm your hostess and MC tonight. But that's the first time I've gotten to say that. With a microphone. Okay, hey. Oh, the lady who thought I was Chi-Chi, and is that your boyfriend or your husband? And some total stranger who thought I was the DJ. This is me. Thank you. Thanks. Yeah, I know you're wondering like why I'm dressed like this.
You look like one of my neighbor's aunts I had to go spend Thanksgiving with, and she tried to smack my hand when I tried to eat too soon.
Hi, Mama. I'm dressed as a lampshade in Weena's house. All the other good jobs are taken.
I told you you'd be great.
Thank you. Thank you. So, I am your hostess, Miss Trixie Hitler. Where the fuck can you stand? Sorry.
Trixie, what is your last name?
My last name is Hitler. I know, well, Trump was taken, Bush was taken, Cheney was taken, whatever. So, how are we doing tonight? Had a good time? Yeah? Could you be better with booze? Okay, you've got enough.
I think Trixie would be better with booze.
Trixie would be better with booze. Any birthdays in the house? Oh, come on, don't be shy, don't be shy. It's your birthday? You're pretty, what's your name? Hi, Beth. Happy birthday. Did they tell you, like, we got a birthday surprise for you? That some really tall guy in rubber gloves is gonna come and bring you a drink? Because that would be the surprise. Wow, I didn't know. I turned 30 and this guy with rubber gloves came and brought me a shot. Chocolate. I don't know what's in it. They don't let me touch it. Is that tequila? What is it, water?
Yes, there is a tequila for Trixie.
Are there any other birthdays in the house? Divorces? Oh! What's your name? Oh my god, it's almost an all-girl front row. That is my kind of, seriously, that is my kind of front row. Because you can look at their faces, and their faces do not like. They're not having a good time, you're not having a good time. So, I'm sorry for the divorce. It's a beginning, not an ending, right? Would you like a shot? Yeah? Sure. It's a new life.
Celebrate the divorce. Now it's a whole new
I
world
have no
of sexual
idea.
partners.
All right. We have a special guest tonight. You can't see her because she's in the fog. Oh my god. Excuse me, ma'am. If you looked in your wallet, would you find a driver's license from Oregon? I'm psychic. Did you bring your purse? Miss Diane Pitt, would you step up, please? Did you come here? Come on. She's a guest lecturer at a university, and she's also my aunt. This is Diane Pitt. And it's a miracle I was able to keep a secret for the entire hour-and-a-half drive home. Have a shot at it. Give her the tequila. I've got one more shot to give away. What? No, you with a hand, with your finger in the air. You, sir, with a finger. I'm sure there's a lot of men with a finger, but
You're sexy, bitch.
step away, Becky. Oh, where?
The white shirt.
White shirt, please. Oh yeah. Bring me the white shirt. Come on up. Come on up. What's your name? Is it your first time here? Welcome, Joey. Welcome. Are you having a good time? Yeah, see, you get like the plastic glove guy, and yeah. Thanks. It's just got started, so there's a lot more show to go. Doesn't matter. You can fantasize as much as you want. He's off limits. Just step away. Step forward. I knew that was off. That was odd for you, wasn't it? Just move. I will protect you. Me in the caftan and plastic gloves will protect you. And the man in the underwear and the cute socks. You know what? Let's just do a shot together. Call it Saturday. I'm feeling better now, are you? Hey, welcome. Welcome.
Congratulations, Trixie. Not only can you fry up a bucket of chicken, you can entertain and serve shots.
Oh my God, Chubby.
You, are gonna be, the best Parcheesi player on the block.
Oh, I can knock out some shuffleboard. All right. Oh, wait. Hold on. I've always wanted to do this. Monica Malone, white courtesy phone. Monica Malone, white courtesy phone, please. Monica Malone, your car's on fire. Monica Malone, your car's on fire.
Please pick up the courtesy telephone.
Shot boy, Joe. I've lost my shot boy.
Lost the shot boy.
Can you clean up this mess? Jesus Christ.
All right, for the Joan Crawford. Clean up this mess.
I'm even worried. Give me the Ajax. Get me the Ajax. Are you alright there? Bomb chicka wow wow. Faster. Wiggle it, just and then we'll break out into song, The Drop of a Hat. Shine bright like a diamond, honey. Bright like a diamond.
Right up there in the table.
Monica Malone, white courtesy phone. Monica Malone, white courtesy phone. Thank you.
Do you need to know who's next?
Give it up
Trixie,
for-
or do you want me to bring the next person out?
No, you just tell me.
Katana.
But first, thank you, Joe. Joe is our all-around great guy, great sport. And so now, with a little further ado, ladies and gentlemen, an amazing performer who has been here before, and she is absolutely fantastic. Katana.